If you need a small hill gone before lunch, forget trucks, or a lone man with a shovel, call in the Caterpillar D11. Nicknamed the King of Dozers, this 235,500-pound giant packs a CAT C32 engine with 850 net horsepower, combining freight train force with surgical precision. Mines, quarries, and earthworks trusted to move what smaller machines can't. Meet the machine. At its heart, the D11 is powered by the Caterpillar C32 engine, a high-displacement V12 that delivers 850 net horsepower, or about 634 kilowatts. The machine's operating weight comes in at approximately 106,800 kilograms depending on configuration. That combination of massive weight and substantial power gives the D11 its trademark ability to gain traction and push staggering volumes of material in short cycles. Caterpillar designed this behemoth to handle punishing environments, whether it is ripping through solid rock, pushing tons of overburden in a mine, or shaping enormous embankments for infrastructure projects. The most recognizable feature of the D11 is its elevated sprocket design, which not only gives it a distinctive silhouette, but also serves a mechanical purpose. By lifting the final drive out of direct contact with the ground's harshest forces, the elevated sprocket design improves durability, protects key components, and smooths the ride for the operator. Over the years, Caterpillar has continually refined this undercarriage system, incorporating stronger roller frames, more robust bearings, and service-friendly joints that extend component life. A short, loud history of a heavyweight. The D11's story begins with the D10 in 1977, which introduced the world to the elevated sprocket design. In 1986, the first D11 rolled out of Caterpillar's East Peoria, Illinois facility, setting a new standard for large track-type tractors. Since then, the D11 has evolved through models such as the D11N, D11R, and D11T, each generation improving on power, durability, and operator comfort. Over the decades, Caterpillar has celebrated milestones like the production of its 6,000th D11, a testament to how deeply this machine is embedded in mining and heavy construction culture. East Peoria remains the production home for large Caterpillar dozers, linking decades of engineering heritage with today's cutting-edge technology. Blades that make the difference. One of the D11's greatest strengths is its versatility, thanks to its range of blade configurations. The standard U-blade is tall, curved, and designed for maximum carrying capacity, making it ideal for moving large volumes of material over short distances. For operators needing versatility in different site conditions, the SU blade offers a compromise: less height and curvature, smaller wings, and reduced spillage, making it more adaptable to mixed material types. For lighter density materials, the Reclamation U-blade provides even greater volume capacity, while the Carry Dozer blade, deeply curved and purpose-built, maximizes material load by actually carrying it forward, which can dramatically boost productivity in the right conditions. Choosing the right blade for the job isn't just about preference, it's about matching equipment capabilities to the material, distance, and terrain to achieve optimal efficiency. Brains behind the brawn. Today's D11 is as much a smart machine as it is a powerful one. Caterpillar has loaded it with automation and control systems that not only improve productivity, but also reduce operator fatigue. Automated Blade Assist, which works with the machine's dual tilt system, allows the dozer to adjust blade pitch automatically between preset positions for load, carry, and dump. This minimizes the constant fine-tuning operators once had to do manually. The optional auto carry system monitors track slip and automatically adjusts blade height to keep the machine working at peak efficiency, a feature that Caterpillar reports can improve productivity by up to 15% in suitable conditions. Additionally, integrated 3D grade control uses GNSS antennas and blade-mounted sensors to guide operators with precise positioning data, reducing guesswork and rework, and allowing even less experienced operators to achieve professional results. The power of connectivity. The D11 is more than just a standalone powerhouse. It is also a connected member of a larger fleet ecosystem. With Caterpillar's product Link system built in, the D11 can transmit real-time data on location, operating hours, fuel consumption, idle time, and fault codes. This data flows into Vision Link, Caterpillar's cloud-based fleet management platform, which allows managers to track performance, monitor utilization, and even manage mixed brand fleets from a single dashboard. Vision Link's latest updates offer advanced job site summaries, KPI tracking, and geofencing tools, making it easier than ever to turn raw operating data into into actionable decisions. The result is not just a better run machine, but a smarter, more responsive operation overall. Where the D11 rules the earth, the D11 thrives in environments where the ground itself resists progress. In surface mining and quarrying, it is used to push material to loading points, rip hard, overburden, and maintain haul roads. In large-scale earthworks and reclamation projects, it moves vast amounts of soil and rock, shapes slopes, and even caps landfills. Equipped with a ripper, the D11 can break through rock so that loaders and trucks can work more efficiently. Optional automatic ripper control further optimizes this process by adjusting depth and engine speed to maintain traction, reducing wear on both the ripper and the undercarriage. Powertrain and efficiency. The CAT C32 engine that powers the D11 is built for sustained heavy pushing. While actual fuel burn depends heavily on site conditions, load, and operator technique, earlier generations of D11S were known to consume triple-digit liters per hour under heavy load. The latest models are designed to keep fuel costs per ton as low as possible, with drivetrain refinements such as an optimized torque divider, improved shifting logic, and better cooling systems. The D11's engine configurations are designed to meet strict emission standards like US EPA Tier 4 Final and EU Stage 5 in applicable markets, significantly reducing nitrogen oxides and particulate matter compared to previous generations. The future, the D11 XE. Caterpillar has also introduced the D11 XE, an electric drive version of the machine that replaces the conventional mechanical transmission with a diesel-electric powertrain. In this configuration, the diesel engine drives a generator, which powers electric motors that move the tracks. This approach offers smoother, continuous power delivery, better efficiency, and potentially higher production in the right conditions. Caterpillar has touted the D11 XE as the most fuel-efficient, highest-producing D11 they have tested, making it a strong candidate for operations seeking both performance and reduced environmental impact. Why the elevated sprocket still matters. The elevated sprocket design is more than an aesthetic choice. It is a strategic engineering decision. By separating the suspension from the drivetrain, Caterpillar reduces the amount of shock and stress transmitted to high-value components. This improves ride quality for operators and extends component life. Over the years, Caterpillar has reinforced the D11's roller frames, upgraded bearings, and made joints easier to service, ensuring the machine can withstand repeated rebuilds and continue working across multiple life cycles. This ability to rebuild rather than replace is one of the key economic advantages of owning a D11, the operator experience. Inside the D11's cab, operators find a workspace designed for comfort and productivity. Modern visibility packages, real-time machine monitoring, and intuitive control layouts make long shifts more manageable. Automation systems like automated blade assist, auto carry, and optional automatic ripper control mean operators spend less time micromanaging controls and more time focusing on strategy, material flow, push routes, and meeting production targets. This makes it easier for new operators to perform well and allows experienced operators to sustain peak productivity without fatigue. Holding the crown. While the D11 is not the largest dozer ever built, Komatsu's D575A once held that distinction. It remains the most powerful production dozer in Caterpillar's lineup and a dominant force in its class. For fleets already invested in Caterpillar equipment, the D11's integration with existing dealer support, parts availability, and fleet management systems makes it a compelling choice. Even for mixed brand fleets, the machine's durability, technology, and support ecosystem keep it at the top of many procurement lists. Built in East Peoria, every D11 is born in East Peoria, Illinois, where Caterpillar has been building large track-type tractors for decades. This centralized manufacturing base, paired with Caterpillar's global dealer network, ensures that parts, service, and rebuild capabilities are always within reach. This global support system is one reason D11S are so often rebuilt and returned to work rather than retired, a practice that dramatically extends their value and lifespan. And that's the story of the Caterpillar D11, the King of Dozers, the heavyweight champ of moving the earth. If you enjoyed learning about the biggest, baddest bulldozer in Caterpillar's lineup, smash that like and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep those tracks turning and we'll see you in the next one.